I think that last 3 years, Mongolia had years of good economic growth, about 5%, 6, 7% growth, and it was quite remarkable. However, this year is very challenging. Right now, for the first half of 2020, the GDP has been falling at a rate of about minus 9.7%, about 10%, let's say so. So it is kind of comparable to what is happening in other countries. And since Mongolia is very close to China, also it's clear that this impact also was very strong on Mongolian economy. However, the government and the Asian Development Bank are hoping that at the end of the year, the GDP growth rate will be about minus 2%. So, provided that the third quarter and the fourth quarter will show signs of stabilization. So, I personally think that still it's very early to hope for such kind of significant recovery after very strong reduction in GDP in first 2 quarters. So I would say that probably for this year in overall, we would expect something like minus 4%, maybe even 5%. It of course depends on situation. I would say that it's encouraging that in mining, actually, the things are looking now much better. So we can expect some kind of economic recovery in the second half of the year. But I would say also that year-on-year basis, 2019 was actually a year when we had a very good exports of minerals. So it will be, if we compare this only in mining, for example, it will be very hard, almost impossible to achieve the same growth as we had last year. So all in all, I think it's realistic to expect about the GDP reduction of from minus 2.6, which is the government target, and personally I think maybe minus 4 to 5%.